Welcome, today in front of me Poco X4 GT, and I'll show you the how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's first open the notification panel, and if you want to add or remove some icons from here, just tap on the right upper corner on the edit icon. And now we can see here all the visible icons in our notification panel, and here is the invisible section with the icons. So just to add some icons to notification panel, click on these pluses on the right upper corner of each of these icons, and by this way we can add all of them if you want. To remove them, just by the same way, click here to right upper corner on these minuses by this way. And just if you want to change the positions of some icons here on your tab bar, just hold the icon and drag it by this way. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. And to save the changes, click here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.